Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for Whimsy Stamp's Beach Setting Cling Red Rubber Stamp. This beach setting is so tranquil. I'm going to stamp it out so you can see for yourself. And the image measures 3 and 7/16 of an inch wide by 3 and 1/16 of an inch high. I love coloring images like this one because they always carry me away. I could see myself sitting on the porch looking out over the dunes of our beautiful Outer Banks here in North Carolina. It was so relaxing. Now, I've paired this image with a few previously released products from Whimsy. After coloring the image with my alcohol markers, I paired it with the Whimsy Stamps A2 lattice die and a few shells that I die cut from the Build an Ocean die set. Now, I did stamp that sentiment from the Mermaid's Dream stamp set, added twine and gold pearls to finish off my card. Let me know what you think of the beach setting stamp in the comments below. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. And until next time, please take care.